Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can create circular carousel collection section in Shopify Dawn theme or Horizon theme. So this is something I was working for the last few days, and I was working on the code and all the stuff and testing multiple times. But with the new Shopify edition update, like 2026 update, winter update, things have changed a lot. Now you can create the AI prompt section within Dawn theme as well, and on a daily basis, almost they are launching new updates. So I've changed my perspective, and I'm thinking to create at least 80% of 80% of my Shopify videos using the prompt engineering, because this is something which is the future, and most of the stuff will be done in this way. I'm not ignoring the fact that developers will be needed. I'm also a developer for the Shopify Plus store, for the custom coding, for the custom stuff that we normally see. But for most of the sections that you see on the front page of the Shopify, or on product page or collection page, you can use the prompts, and it would be better to use the prompt. It will speed up the work. So today is 18 December, and I'm creating this video after the Shopify update. And this specifically carousel collection carousel, I have compiled a prompt, and I have improved it so that it works really well, and it is amazing. Like, it is coded by a top coder, and it works really fine. Remember, prompt engineering is a skill. You have to master it. It is not something you just type it and it will work like perfection. You have to do a lot of practice, and that's the reason I'm doing the practice and giving the best prompts to you. So when you will watch my video, you will see the pin comment or the documentation file within the video, and you just have to copy that prompt and enter in the Shopify, and it will create the section for you. So just start. So let's start this journey, and this is what I have created with no code. This is AI generated sections, AI generated section with just a prompt, and as you can see, it is perfect. If the collection doesn't have any image, you can upload any custom image, and also you can generate an AI image as well. And as you can see, it is auto playing, and also it is responsive on mobile and fully tested by me. And as you can see on the mobile version, it works really fine. There is no issue at all, and basically the autoplay also works really fine. And the best thing is that if the collection doesn't have the image, it fetches the product image. And if the collection doesn't have any product image, you can create the AI image. So everything within AI. So this is the section that I created. So what I will do, I will delete this section and create the section again for this tutorial. So I will click on this one and delete it. Okay, so now I'm doing all from fresh. So you will click on add section, and then you have to click on generate. This is the prompt, only prompt that you have to do. This is a detailed prompt. And if you are using like Shopify or Horizon thing, you just have to change it. Otherwise, you don't have to mention the theme. That's optional. Okay, so it works for every Shopify theme that is updated and has the option to create the AI prompts, and to create the AI sections using the prompts. So you just have to copy and just paste it. Click on generate block. So again, I'm explaining. Click on add section and then generate, and then you have to add the prompt, and then make sure that the prompt is entered correctly. Just make sure, and then click on send. So now you have to wait and watch the things that will happen. Basically, it takes like 2 minutes, sometimes 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but it will do all the stuff for you. CSS code and the JavaScript, all the stuff. So let me pause the video, and I will show you once it is done. You can see our AI section has been created, and let's see how it actually look like. So as you can see, there's a heading, subheading, and if you click on this one below the section, you don't have to click the section. You have to click on this AI section, and as you can see, you have the option for heading. You can bold it, the subheading. You have the alignment option, the collections option. You can select multiple collections. So if you select multiple options, basically you have the option to upload the custom images as well if the collection don't have the image assigned in the backend, or there is no products for that collection. As you can see, there are a maximum of 12 collections, and you can I think that they are enough. You can also increase the collection limit later on. So you can upload the image here, and layout desktop columns are 4. Okay, that's enough. Mobile columns are 2, and gap between items, you can select everything and you just enable like, let's enable the autoplay. And now you can see the product count, yes, and everything is editable. The buttons, navigation, all the stuff is not coded by a coder. This is just AI generated, so that's the best thing. So collection, it's time to select the collection. So I will select men's t-shirt, men's clothing. So one thing I want to show you that when you will enter the prompt, it will react differently for each store, or based on Shopify basically creates the separate sections every time whenever you enter the prompt, that I have observed, but the working would be separate, working would be similar. Okay, so before that I created this AI section. It was like collection number 1, collection number 2, you have to select individually. Like in this prompt, now I have entered the same prompt. It is asking me to select the collection as a tick box, as a tick, and then it will it has the option to assign the custom image in the down area. So it working is same, but obviously the structure will be a little different, but you don't have to worry, it also works the same way. So I will select woman belt, man belt. So I will select like 6 collections. Okay, so I think they are enough. And yeah, custom image, you have the option for the custom images as well. And as you can see, it is showing the products, and you can disable the products as well. 7 products, men pants, men belts. And as you can see, for men belts, the image is not good. I'm not fan of it. So this is collection number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 collections. So I want to change the image. I have the option to select the image from here, or generate image using AI. I will select this one. So let's see if it assigned well or not. Yes, as you can see, it is working really fine. So man belt. So I think it has assigned the wrong image. This was collection image number 5. Yeah. So let's create a new image for a men's belt. So again, AI, a male model wearing a Gucci belt. Okay. So everything is AI. You don't have to download the stock images. Okay. So let's see. So it has generated the image. We can keep it, or we can generate another image. I think it's fine. So let's keep this image and let's assign it to the collection. So as you can see, it is within the circle and working really well. So this is how you can do all the settings, and it is created by AI, all the thing. And on the mobile version, you can check it's working really fine, and the autoplay is also working really well. And currently in the theme customization, sometimes it doesn't work well, but the autoplay is also working fine. And as you can see, it is really responsive on the mobile version as well. And you can also change the autoplay settings as well. I think autoplay speed should be a little. Let's check. I think we have to decrease the speed. Yes, autoplay is working fine. So I have changed. So two setting is too fast. So let's enable it for. So as you can see, we have created all through the AI prompt. I'm attaching this AI prompt here, and I will leave the link to the this documentation in the description of this video. You can assign the image at the backend in the collection, or it will fetch the products automatically, like in this case. But you can also generate the new AI image, and everything is done by AI. And let me know if there is an issue. And this collection image is, this section is perfect, and you can enable it on any way. And all the customization options are available here. So as you can see, you can obviously change the collection size, title, and all the stuff you want to discover yourself. So if you are not satisfied with something, you can enter the follow-up instruction, like I don't like the width of the collection image, so just make it more larger or smaller. So you can do it as well, and you can show also select how much collections you want to show in a row. So thank you very much, and let me know if you want to make me another videos, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much.